Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Bitbucket Code Collaboration Review My Usage Experience. Bitbucket Code Collaboration Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for developers to review code collaboratively. Its main purpose is to streamline the code review process, improving code quality and reducing bugs before they reach production. The target audience is software development teams using Bitbucket for version control. Key features include pull request management, inline commenting, and integration with other Atlassian tools. Their website provides details on various pricing plans. Bitbucket offers a free plan for small teams, and paid plans with increased storage and features for larger organizations. The pricing is transparent, with no hidden fees, though the cost can scale significantly with the size of your team and storage needs. They emphasize a seamless integration with their other development tools, providing a streamlined workflow within the Atlassian ecosystem. Availability is global, accessible to users worldwide. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Bitbucket Code Collaboration Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. I already used Bitbucket for version control, so integrating the code review features was seamless. The interface is intuitive, even for someone not intimately familiar with all of Bitbucket's features. I particularly appreciated the inline commenting functionality. It made giving and receiving feedback incredibly efficient. I could directly point out issues within the code itself, making the review process much clearer. The performance was excellent, the platform was responsive and reliable throughout my usage. I had a quick question about setting up automated code checks, and their support responded within 24 hours via email, providing a clear and helpful explanation. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app for reviewing code on the go, though web access functioned well. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to integrate various quality checks and automated testing directly into the review process. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Bitbucket's code review capabilities. It efficiently improved our team's code quality and streamlined our workflow. That's my overview of Bitbucket Code Collaboration Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.